Hello, my grade 3 superstars. Today we're doing a new project. It's going to be a poster. It's going to be awesome. We're going to let's do this, okay? So here I am in my Chrome. Let's make this into my right user. You've probably already done that. If you're watching this video, you've signed into your user. You're ready. And we want to go to my drive, but I'm going to hit New Tab and My Drive. I've got a bookmark. If you don't have a bookmark, you can go Apps and click on Google Drive, this triangle thing. Or if you really don't have that, you can type in drive.google.com. It'll take you here. Now it might ask your password. Put your password in if you have to sign in. Oh, look at this. I've got to sign in. Password. There we go. And boom. That'll get you signed in. So we're going to hit this create button. This red button on the side. This is where we create everything. And over here is where we save everything. You guys probably have a book review project, maybe some other things in there you've worked on. Click create, and we're going to go down to drawing. We're making a drawing for a post project. Okay, so we can do any of these things in other times, but this time drawing. Clicking that, and it's going to bring us this nice blank page. Okay, it's got a few things we want to notice. Top area here is the title. Okay, and right away I'm going to click on that area and give it a name. So you click on it, brings up this box, and I'm going to say, now that's not a great name. Let's actually give it a better name, because you might have lots of drawings and then you can't call them all. I can't call everyone Steve's Drawing, so let's call it maybe this is going to be a biography poster. Okay, that's what we're doing, so let's call it biography poster. It's in your account, so you don't really have to put your name on it, but you could if you want. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just hit OK. So you see my new name goes up there, and if I go back to my drive and I refresh, look at this. It'll have biography. Well, it's down here. Where is it? Biography poster. It's alphabetical. You don't have to look at that though. So it's here. We're good. All I'm going to do to start with here, guys, is I'm going to actually, we don't need to do that. Right click on the background. Right click here. Okay, so I use my right side button. Right click and I hit background and I choose a color for the background. That's all we're going to do right now. And I think my background, I'm going to go with this kind of, it calls it cyan. It's kind of a greeny blue. I like it. Good. Okay, so we have this. I want to put this now into my website. Even though I'm not done my project yet, let's put it on a website right away. So new tab. I want to go to sites.google.com. Oh, right away it starts popping up, right? So I can get in here. I can also choose this one down here, but let's just go here. It should take you to your website. So I hope you're doing this while you're watching the video. You can pause the video and start doing that. Okay, choose the right site. Bob's got a few sites. Let's click on the school site here. And this biography project is your reading and writing, right? So let's put it under reading. Okay, I'm going to click on reading in my website here. And okay, so I don't have a whole lot in my reading. I'm going to hit this edit button. So I've already got a reading page. If you didn't have one, you could add it by hitting this new page. But because I already have it, I'm good. I came here, but I don't want to just read it. I can't type in here. If I start typing, nothing happens. I have to hit this pencil to edit. That's going to pop open this editor, and in here I can hit, I want to create some space, right? So I'm going to hit down, enter a couple times, and create the space where I'm going to put the drawing right in here. I say insert, and it's in my drive. So after I got in here, let's go back a step. I put the cursor, this flashing line, right here where I want to put my drawing. And I'll just put it in here for right now. It's okay. I can move it later if I change my mind. And I hit insert, drive, drawing. I want to insert a drive drawing. Great. It's going to take me to my things, and it shows me all the drawings I've made. I've made a few of them. You guys probably only have one. So there it is, my biography poster. I click on it, so it's got a blue box around it and a check mark there. And down the bottom here, I hit select. Brings me to this next screen where I get to choose how big to make it. Right now, let's leave this size. We can make it bigger later. We can make it any size we want. These are pixels, they're dots on the screen, and depending on how big your screen is, you know, the number of pixels, your screens are about 1,000 dots wide. So 400 is a good piece of it. You could make it 600. You'd have to make this bigger too. So let's just leave them right now. I'll include the title. I'll include the border. That's fine. This all looks good. And I'll hit save. And at first it goes to this gray whitish box. It's kind of weird, but once I hit save up here, I'll see my drawing, which right now is nothing but a cyan background. Okay, so that's what we need to do today. Let's get that done, and then I'll show you the next steps later. Thanks, guys.